How come you with us?
Don't stop.
They not with us. They not with us.
Before my boys go back to the city, I appreciate y'all for coming to Brooklyn.
What's up, Brooklyn?
Yeah.
Stay, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
That's YouTube shit, you know. Idle control air sensor on an 01 Ford. It's the easiest piece in the world. It's right there. 2 screws, 5/16, unclip, clip. Simple. Initially, I decided to change this part because the guy on YouTube said that it shouldn't cost me no more than $50. And he lied, guys. I actually paid $64 for this shit. But it's okay. As long as it gets done. So new to old, you see the difference. Put the gasket on and we done, man. That's cool. Fuck that. Yeah, gasket. And we're literally gonna put it right over, screw it in. Done, y'all. Real simple. Not broke, gotta replace, you know. Upgrade. Just like that, y'all. 5/16. That's all I needed. These guys right here. Tight as hell right now. Okay, not that tight. All right, move. And all we're doing is plugging in. Now, worst case scenario, I'm not getting power maybe to this, and that'll be the problem. But I don't think so, just because of I never got this code in the 6 months that I had this car, and then out of nowhere, after I fixed all the piping, all the hoses and everything, all the hoses, it comes up with this code. So, anyways. See this nasty. You saw the new one, but old to new. And as simple as that, man. Less than 10 minutes for sure. Real simple fix for this one. And what is that? That's P1550, I believe. I'll double check on that. And this is garbage. Huh? Thanks for watching, y'all. All right, the code was P1507. This is what we're looking for right now. Hopefully that check engine light stays off. Caught my face on this one, but yeah, I see it. Thanks for watching again. You know, it's New York City, so see you in the next one. Yeah, get the fuck out of here. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. See, she just. Yeah. 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 Shake it, shake it, shake it.